Switzerland in Africa? No, my people. I'm talking about Obudu Cattle Ranch in Nigeria. This is Nigeria's best kept secret, sitting right here in Cross River State. And today, I'm going to show you why you must visit the Switzerland in Africa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Travel Africa with Otumba Yomiadu. Here in this channel, I showcase the beauty of African countries to the rest of the world. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel and let's go. When you think of Switzerland, you think of the Alps, snow-capped mountains, and green meadows scenery. But what if I told you you don't need a visa to Europe to experience that? Just look at this. Obudu sits at over 1,500 meters above sea level. The temperature drops to as low as 4 degrees Celsius. In Nigeria, can you imagine that? While Lagos is sweating at 35 degrees Celsius, up here you are wearing a jacket and sipping hot tea in Obudu. Waterfalls and this endless green carpet that stretches as far as your eyes can see. It's like someone copied and pasted the Swiss Alps into West Africa. And if not just about the views, my friends, Obudu is an adventure. Take the longest cable car in Africa. Yes, the longest cable car is in Obudu, Nigeria. Go horseback riding through the highlands, hike the grotto, a natural cave with a water inside. You can as well play golf if you love to do that. You see, let me tell you quickly about this place. Originally, Obudu was established in 1951 by a Scottish rancher, Macaulay, and later developed by the Eastern Region Government of Nigeria. You can see today, Obudu is a very, very beautiful place. So you are not just getting Switzerland, you are getting Switzerland with African soul. Africa is full of surprises, and Obudu is a proof that paradise is closer than you think. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and come see Nigeria, Switzerland for yourself. If you enjoyed this short video, click on the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Have you been to Obudu? Would you like to go? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is the short video. Until next time, keep exploring Africa. I tell you, Africa is such a beautiful continent. Let us showcase Africa to the whole world. Let them see what we have. I tell you, there is no way the white people will come here to stay if not because they are enjoying a lot of things. Just look at this. Imagine what these beautiful ladies are enjoying right there in Obudu. Nigeria is a very good country, beautiful country. I tell you, you can be part of it. If you want to come, just reach out to me and I will surely arrange your coming. Imagine what these guys are having. You can enjoy the best of life when you visit Obudu Cattle Ranch in Cross River State, Nigeria. Till I come your way again, I say bye-bye and God bless.